Hello guys, welcome back. Today we will be seeing how to do the 7th program of the DevOps. For this, first you will have to download Ubuntu from the Microsoft Store app if you are executing it on your laptops. If it is on the PCs, you can go to VM Workstation and switch on any of the Linux softwares there. After you have successfully installed the Ubuntu on your laptop, please open it and then open it up. You will see something like a terminal. Once you are seeing this terminal, we are now starting our program. The first thing we have to do is type in add user, because we'll have to add the user who will be using. The command is sudo add user space username. You can give any username that you want. It will then prompt for a password. The password you set must be able to remember it anytime. After you are given a password, just click enter. Since I am doing this for the second or third time, I'll be asked a new password. You can give it as the same old password that you have given above. It's no big thing. And then retype the password to configure it. Once this is done, it will ask for something like full name, room number, something and all. You just have to click enter. No need to add anything there. The next thing that we'll have to do is key generation. You can see that the user has been added now. So for the key generation, the command is ssh-keygen. So once the key generation is done, it will ask for some prompts. You don't have to do anything. So it will ask something like overwrite. Just give it as yes. And then it will ask for passphrase and all of it. Just enter. Don't give anything. The next thing you do is Ansible installation. We will first be updating the packages by giving the command as sudo apt update. These will update the packages which are already there in the system. Once the packages are updated, we will then be installing the Ansible. Sudo apt install ansible -y. See, the -y is optional because it is just a answer to a question which will be asked later on. So yeah, we will be downloading the Ansible. Once it is downloaded, we will check the version of it to check if the Ansible is properly downloaded or not. We can see that the Ansible is actually downloaded. And then next we will be creating an inventory file. For inventory file, the command is as follows: vi space inventory.ini. Here you will see that there is something like a blank box. Since this is my second or third, it's coming whatever I had put it. The first time you open this, it will be just blank. In this blank file, you will have to add this line called localhost.ansible underscore connection is equals to local. Once you have added this thing, we will first press escape to save it, and then we will type in :wq. We will be back to the terminal. Here we will be now executing the inventory file. To execute the file, the command is ansible inventory -i inventory.ini space -- list. So this will be giving the inventory file which is as shown here. Next thing is we will be checking the ping for this. This is the command ansible space all space -i inventory.ini -m space ping. Once this is done, you can see that the ping is successful, and then it will be showing something like this. Now we will be creating a playbook, for which the command is nano space playbook name.yml. The playbook name can be anything, we are just giving us basic playbook. We will also now be prompted a empty screen here, for which you have to enter some things in this. Whatever we have to enter for the first time, I will be linking it down in the description. You have to just copy and paste it here, or else it would be in some of your manuals also if people have there. So you can just copy it and paste it here. So this would be typed or copy pasted in the first playbook. Once it is copy pasted, you have to save it. For saving, we use the shortkeys Control O and then click enter, and then click Control X to exit. Once you are exited, just execute the playbook file. The command is as follows: ansible -playbook space -i space inventory.ini space the playbook name .yml. Remember, it's YML, not YAML. So once this is executed, you will see that the playbook file has been executed. Since I have already executed this twice, there is some other changes which have been done. If you are doing it, it will be different. So after this is done, we will be opening the file again and changing the contents of the file. Save it with the control plus X, enter, and then save it with Control O, enter, and then Control X to get out of it. Once you get out of it, execute the file again, and then you will see that changes made will be shown there. Changes is equals to 0. If you are doing this for the first time, it will look something like this. You can see that first time it is there as something changed is equals to 1, and after it's changed and it's executed, the changes is equals to 0. So now after everything is done, you have to check for my test directory, for which the command is ls/twp. There is something called as my test directory here. So this will be created when you are executing the program. So this is what you will have to get as your last output, and here concludes the 7th program. Thank you all for your patience, and thank you for all the subscriptions.